Hi everybody, it's Colin here from Woodthorpe International. Well, I've got the last two 37s out. This is 97303 and at the back is 97304, John Tilley. Interesting with this one, I've had it for quite a while and I haven't run it, I've been saving it. Why I've been saving it, I do not know. It's just that I've been doing other things as well. So I have the two network rails, and I've got a lot of coaches in network rail, but I've just put those on just to show them running together. And then I've got this loco. And I've put this loco on for a guy in America called Richard. And he asked me what old Graham Farish ran like in 66s. And this is as old as I can get. And this one is 66843. And it was produced in 2011. And he only had a PCB board in which you had to then solder a decoder to the little tabs. And this is as old as I can get in Graham Farish. I don't think they did any before which were DCC sort of ready, even though you had to solder them on. But they did then do another batch, and there was a Carless rail, and it just had a 6-pin socket, and that was 66846, and that was produced roughly 2017-2018. But he asked how do they run, the old ones. Now this, like I say, is as old as I have, which has a decoder in. I don't know if they did a batch before, which was just DC. But they both run okay. All three of the locos. And I've just got some cargo wagons on the back. There's three of them. So we'll set this one going so you can see it run, Richard. And then we'll get network rail running. And this Carless one I haven't run for, well, it's always this 5-6 year mark, because I've had so many since, and these were put away. But it just came out of the box and ran straight away, which I was a bit amazed about, because I thought it might have needed a wheels cleaning or something like that. It seemed to go okay. The Americans have been kicked off this layout. It's just been English for quite a while, but it's been nice to run quite a lot of the old locos, or ones what haven't been run for a while. I haven't speed matched these. These are running together quite well straight out of the boxes. They've both got Backman in decoders, so they're very similar, but they're running very similar as well, to say they're not speed matched. Then the other thing I've been up to is I've been doing some wiring, as I said I was going to do. I've put the boards on, which I'll show you one which I've filmed without wires on, I think, and there might be one with. I've put the first unit on, and another reason for lights under here, it helps me see when I work here. So I've been running these two trains while I've been wiring this up. So it's ready to hang now, and then put the Ethernet cable and the power supply from number 13, because this is going to be number 14. And then I'll be able to do 8 blocks. I've got the board ready for the other one. It's roughly where that big drill is, and the edge of the glow. That's where the board is underneath. I need some more of these, and they're coming tomorrow. I've only got one for the other board, so I can wire it up if I have time today. So I'm going to hang this up and put the Ethernet cable and the power supply, and I'll show you once I've done that. But there's one here underneath there. Now that one I've decided only to do 4 out of the 8 blocks, because the one reason is over here I've got another point to put in for the furthest line to go through the station, and then I'm going to run the station lines to this unit here, instead of taking wires from over there to bring them here to run those from there over to a unit what will be over there, or 2 units. I think I just need 2 more block detection units, and then that'll be enough for Japan, I believe. But what I have done is, from these 2 lines here, they are now on their own separate blocks, all going round the outside of the helix round here, and they're all onto iTrain and tested and all registering, which is good. And the other unit is under there, and that has 7 on. I've left one just in case I want to put something in at some point over here. I don't think I will, but just in case. Or if I end up with one short somewhere, I can just run it round. So I'm pleased that that's tidied that area up down there. There's still, if I've done 7, 11, there's still 10 more blocks to put in. So it might be maybe 3 units I need to get 10. I might get away with just 2. Anyway, it'll be what it'll be. If I need more, I'll just have to put another one in. But it's been a good week for wiring. I had one issue with the Ethernet cable from that unit here to this one. It wouldn't work with the cable and sockets I had. The one from here, using the same cable to that one with the same clips, it worked. But for some reason this didn't. So I put a factory made one on and it worked. So I bought some new clips, made another cable, which is this one. Well, didn't make the cable, made the length, and it then worked with the new clips. So all I can go with at the moment, it's the clips what were the issue. So anyway, that's wired up and on its magnets underneath and working great. So I've just got to get some more, but I don't know when that'll be. That may be in the next month. But there's not a lot else. No scenery work done. No new stock except for the Ethernet cable connectors, and I've got some other little bits for hanging the boards up. But otherwise on that, thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you next week. And if you can hit the like button and subscribe, thank you. I've had some more subscribers this week. I'd like to welcome you aboard this journey and leave a comment. So thanks very much for watching. Bye for now. Bye.